Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to share just a little something that my daughter-in-law found for me. She was jogging, so I want to tell you this story. She was jogging in her neighborhood, and they live in a city near here, near where I live. I live in a little town which is you blink and you miss it type of town. She lives in a city where with my son, and they live in a neighborhood. She was jogging, and they have like bulk pickup there, and this beauty and treasure was sitting by the road for the bulk pickup. She saw it and she texted me, and I didn't see the text for like 20 minutes, and when I saw it I was kind of in panic mode, and I said, oh my goodness, yes, I want it. And I was thinking, oh, it's probably already gone by now, 20 minutes. This is like, if somebody sees this, they're going to grab it. But she texted me back and said it was still there, and she would take it home. And I think she tried to pick it up, and she realized how heavy it was because this bottom part is iron. So, yeah, she called my son and said, hey, can you bring the car over, and we'll, I need to take this home for your mom. So, anyway, I'm not sure. I think it might be a Singer. I haven't found the manufacturer on it yet, but it looks like an old Singer. So I just brought it in the house, and I wanted to just share before I figure out where I'm going to put it. But it has the the foot pedal on the bottom there. It's over my air conditioner vent there, so that's what you're seeing underneath the black pedal. And then the down on the bottom, the iron base. It has, everything here. It has 2 drawers on that side, and there's supposed to be 2 drawers on the other side, and I have the 2 drawers and all the pieces of what holds the 2 drawers in. And my husband said, yeah, I can put that back together easy enough. It shouldn't be, a big deal. So we're going to work on that. The sewing machine, if you're familiar with these, folds down inside of this little table, and then this flap here flaps down so you can use it like a little desk if you're not, while you're not using the sewing machine. I haven't tried it or anything yet to see if the sewing machine works. I did push on the foot pedal, and it kind of went down a bit, and it did not come back up. So I don't know, it might, that's probably why she was getting rid of it, because it doesn't work anymore. But my daughter-in-law talked to the lady and that was getting rid of it while she was waiting for my son to bring the car, and she said she's in her 80s, and she said she's had it her whole life and dragged it around from house to house, and now she was just ready to get rid of it. So so it went to a good home, and I'm going to do something with it. Here's this side. Isn't this wheel cool? Here's the bottom part. I haven't dusted it yet. Like I said, just brought it in the house. Well, here's the words on the side. That looks like it says Sears Roebuck and Company. Isn't that cool? That is awesome. So it's a Sears, at least we know that. Here's the wheels on the bottom and things. So I haven't tried to turn anything or, make it work or anything, but I think it's so cool, and I really love it. And I'm so thankful that she saw it and just brought it home. Here's the top. Really pretty little sewing machine. So look at the all the decoration on there, just so pretty. Okay, and I have one more thing to show you. I'll be right back. Okay, I think I'm back on, and yes, I am. And this is another piece that my other son brought me. He acquired from a house he was working on that the people didn't want it anymore. He brought it home without even, checking with me, and he didn't have to because he knew I would like it. So I walked in the door and I said, oh my goodness, what is that? That is beautiful. So now it's up on my wall here. And so I got another thing that my kids found for me free. So I have one more thing to show you. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. This is a little cart. My daughter-in-law also found this on the same day that she found the sewing machine, and she asked me if I wanted it, and I didn't even respond because I was just so crazy about the sewing machine. I didn't want to make her drag this home too, but she did. She and my oldest son. they're the ones that found the sewing machine and the cart, and my youngest son is the one that found the big wall decor. So this is a cart. I mean, I really couldn't tell in the picture what it was when she texted it to me, but you can see the little handle here. Let me see if I can walk over here and show you. I think it, yeah, it folds down. So you can do that and use it as a table. And you know, it's got the shelf down below, and they've got the tabletop up here. And then you can put the little handle out. And I'm not sure how it stays up. I haven't really investigated it yet, but I just was like, wow, that is really cool. Now I can refinish this top or paint it or something, but I just think it's really neat with this little shelf down below. And the neatest thing, I think it's got wheels. So that is really cool. I thought, well, I was like, wow, it has wheels. I love wheels. I love things on wheels. So anyway, my kids are thrifting for me. You know, they've watched me thrift pretty much their whole lives. I've dragged them around to thrift stores enough. I guess they know what I like, so it's pretty funny that they are now keeping their eyes out and they notice things and bring them home for me. So I just wanted to share a few little thrifted free goodies that are what I consider treasures, and I'm really very thankful that my boys are watching out for me. So everyone have a great day. Happy thrifting, happy crafting, and I'll see you next time.